In this video, I'll guide you through how to lock your Facebook profile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you have to open your Facebook app and click on Profile. Now you need to click on this three-dot icon. Then you will see no profile lock option will appear here. Let me show you how you can get this. After opening your Facebook app, you need to click on this menu icon. Now you need to scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Once you come to the Settings and Privacy page, then you need to scroll down and click on Post. Then click on Who can see your future post and choose Friends and click on Save button. Now again you need to go to your Facebook profile and click on the three-dot icon and tap on Turn off professional mode and click on Continue. Again click on Turn off. Let's refresh this page. Then you will see the profile lock option will appear here. And click on Lock Profile and then lock your profile. By following this tutorial, you can easily lock your Facebook profile.